So there are two types of wisdom. One is Zahir and one is Batin, in the words of the Sufis. So Zahir is manifested, which can be seen and experienced with the five senses. This is the religion. Then behind the religion, there's a spirituality, which is Batin. So that Batin is same in all the religions. The Zahir, the manifested form, some keep long hair, some cut their hair, some cover head, some don't cover head, some wear orange, some wear white, some wear blue, some wear green. But internally, the essence of all these is one. So the sages like Rumi talked about that unity of being, which in his own words, he called these Wahdat al-Wajud, which means the unity of being. In the unity of being, there is no two. In fact, if I was to go deeper, in the unity of being, there is neither God, neither devil. In the realm of religion, there are two. One is God, one is devil. One is hell, one is heaven. But in the unity of being, in the Wahadat al-Wajud, there is no God, there is no devil. There cannot be two. Na to tu raha, na to main raha, jo rahi bekhabri rahi, the Sufi masters mention. Neither you remain, neither I remain. What remains was a wonder. So there is no conclusion. In the ultimate reality, you cannot say it is like this or it is not like this. Because if you say it is like this, then you are confining it to like this. But the totality have to embrace everything. And this state of being, the Sufi masters, they call these first Alme Hahut. Alme Hahut, which is the stage of wonder. You just wonder. You're in a wonder, in amazement. In the yogic teachings, we call this Wah, Hey Guru, wow, what a wisdom. Looking at the plant, you can go into wonder. Looking at the skies, the clouds moving, you can go into wonder. So this is Alme Hahut, where is this total wonder of everything. You enjoy all the time. Then comes Alme Lahut, which is non-existence. Nirvana, it is called in the Buddhist tradition. Fana in the Sufi tradition, where even the wonder disappears. Because in the realm of wonder, there is wonder and there is someone who is wondering. But in the Alme Lahut, in Nirvana, the one who is experiencing the wonder and the very wonder has become one. There's no one to say anything. Chuppe changi nanaka, all you can say is be silent. So that is the realm of unity, the realm of Wahadat al-Wajud, which transcends all religions, all caste, all creed. There is no two, there is only one. And Guru Nanak also calls it, in his own words, he calls it Ik Oankar, which means the unity of creator and creation. Creator and creation are not two. The creator is within the creation and the creation is within the creator. Unity.